Hello friends, in this video we are going to discover the best time to visit Andaman. Kindly make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon before we start this video about the best month to visit Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Also post your favorite season to go to Andaman and Nicobar in the comments below. I'd love to read them and I'm sure others would too. Andaman and Nicobar Islands is a union territory of India consisting of 572 islands, of which 37 are inhabited, at the junction of the Bay of Bengal and the Andaman Sea. It's consisting of two groups of islands at the southeastern edge of the Bay of Bengal, and Andaman and Nicobar is one of the most popular tourist destinations in India. If you're looking forward to visit Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the near future but confused about what is the best time of year to visit Andaman Nicobar with family or friends, watch this video till the end to clear all your doubts regarding when is the best time to visit Andaman Nicobar Islands. What is the best time to visit Andaman and Nicobar Islands? As the Andaman and Nicobar Islands enjoy uniform and moderate weather almost throughout the year, you could visit them anytime you like. However, you should avoid a trip during the monsoons, as many regions receive heavy rains and the seas can get rough and unpredictable. Through the summer and winter seasons, the weather is pleasant and the days are clear, though humid. It's a good time to enjoy the attractions the Andamans are famous for: sightseeing, relaxing on the beach and water sports. Both these seasons are the best times to visit the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands in summer, April, July. Through the summer in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the minimum temperature remains around 24 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature around 37 degrees Celsius. The mornings and early evenings are perfect to see the sights. It's advisable to stay indoors in the afternoons, when it can get uncomfortably hot. For those who love water sports, this is the ideal time to visit, as the waves are gentle and the water mild. No wonder the famous Andaman Beach Festival is celebrated every year in April, over 3 glorious and fun-filled days. Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the monsoons, July, September. Monsoons bring moderate rainfall most of the times, but the peak season could see heavy downpours. Tourism is not at its best during this season because the sea waves are unpredictable. Therefore, it is not advisable to visit the beaches or participate in water sports. The temperature ranges between 22 degrees Celsius and 36 degrees Celsius and the humidity is at its highest level. Although tourists do visit the islands during the season, especially in July and August, in case of heavy rainfall and unpredictable seas, water sports may not be an option. However, the annual festivals held during the season attract quite a crowd to the islands, like the music festivals, Monsoon Festival held in August, and the Food Festival held in September. Andaman and Nicobar Islands in winter, October, March. Winters in the islands are quite mild, with temperatures ranging between 20 C and 30 C. Many tourists consider this the best time to visit Andaman and Nicobar, as the weather stays pleasant through the day. Every form of water sport and beach activity is enjoyable during this season, whether it's swimming, sailing, diving or just sunbathing. Two great reasons why winter is the best time to visit Andaman is the film festival held in November, and the 15-day island tourism festival in January. When to visit Andaman for scuba diving? The best season for scuba diving in Andaman is from January to May. For a scuba diver, the water is calmer, and visibility is best at this time. In addition, this is the time when the sky is also clear. June-August is the rainy season in Andaman. Now that you know Andaman and Nicobar best time to visit, you can plan your trip more efficiently. Well, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this. Post your favorite season to visit Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the comments below. I'd love to read them and I'm sure others would too.